It's not that bad. It's cute-ish. So, oh no. This one. I feel like I had more stuff. Where did it go? But I ordered two. That fridge. I live in a one-room something right now. I'm not at home. There's a fridge right there. It's loud. I gotta pause. What in the world? What's up? It's B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, hello, welcome. My name is Bushra. Join the fam. Subscribe. We're good. Okay, so for today's video, I tried the Wish app. Is it a scam? Is it? So I ordered a bunch of random things. I didn't want to spend too much money because I'm like, is this a scam? I watched a couple videos and some people got scammed so bad. And then I watched other videos where they were sponsored by Wish and people were like, oh my god, it's the best thing in the world. So I'm like, hold up. Is this better than Amazon? Because you can find everything on Amazon. I love Amazon. I cannot live without Amazon. So I need to know if there's another website, kind of like Amazon, that offers everything for a really cheap price. I ordered a bunch of random things just to see what I would get. I ordered a laptop. I ordered some clothing items. I ordered accessories. I ordered some random jewelry, I think, and even fake makeup. I know it's fake, okay? You're not gonna find First Solly for $4, but I was just curious because I had the real thing. I was like, I wanna see what they send me. What you gonna send me, Wish? Let me see. Okay, so I'm excited. Let's get started. So I wanna start with a positive review, and I actually don't have the items with me. I know, you're probably like, well, what the hell? Okay, so there are two sunglasses. I got a rose gold one, and I got one that's like a mirrored dark gray. Sure? Yeah. So I have those two, and they look really, really good. They look just like the Quay ones, or Key. They look just like the Key sunglasses. And when I was picking them out on the app, they actually had pictures of like Desi and Amanda and Sing, and like some other Instagram people. I was just like, I don't know those faces. This is not Key. But I ordered it anyway, and they were only like $1 or $2. I think it was $1 for the sunglasses and $1 for shipping. By the way, each item has individual shipping fees, so you don't get to like order a bunch of stuff and then the shipping fee is like $5. If an item has a shipping fee for $5, it's just for that one item. And most things, you can get free items. By the way, you can get free items that just have a shipping fee. So I don't know, you decide what you want. So those sunglasses were good. I don't have them, but they look like aviators. They look really good, and I was very happy with them. They cost me $2. It's all good. The next item, I got a little keychain. It's backwards. Yeah, so it looks like a little Chanel. It's already attached to my stuff, so it looks like a cute little, dang, can you see it? Hello. Well, you can kind of see it. Kinda not. You can see it a lot better back here because the light's like washing it out. So it's just white crystals, not real. It's just white fake crystals, and it looks like a little Chanel bottle. This was $5, and it's just so cute. I feel like it's very much my personality. It's already fading and tarnishing, but it's $5. I don't care, it's okay. Oh, the fridge stopped. It's nice and quiet now. Okay, so most of the items that come, they come in like sketchy looking wrapping things. And a lot of it comes in like really loud, dark charcoal gray plastic wrap. I don't know. It's like a weird material. But when it's shipped from China, a lot of items are shipped like that. Like I've gotten products from Amazon that were wrapped like that in the past. So I got 2 rings. Now these pictures of these rings looked amazing. Like they look so beautiful. I was like, oh. It's only like $2 or $3, maybe $5. I think they were about $5, so I was like, let me order it. Let me see. It came in a little plastic thing, and then this also has a plastic wrap. So I have 2 of them. One is yellow, okay, the metal part looks cheap as hell, but it is sparkly and it looks good. Like, I mean, it doesn't actually look good, but I don't know, like, I don't mind it. I think it looks pretty. See? It's my $5 engagement ring. Ooh. It's sparkly. You know what? It is sparkly. It's just the sides of this thing looks hella cheap, but it's not that bad. It's cute-ish. So, oh no. This one. The other one is pink. Not very sparkly. The sides and the metals, like the prongs, this looks like trash. You could see like my skin right through it. This looks like trash. Like, I would give it to like a 5-year-old to play with. For $5, I would have expected better. The pictures look nothing like these rings, by the way. So with light, this one is actually giving a little bit of like a rainbow glow, and this one just straight up looks like plastic. Like, this looks like shit. The pink one, that was a scam, because trust that the picture did not look like that. And the thing is, you can get better fake jewelry at Forever 21, Charlotte Russe, Charming Charlie's, for the same price. This trash. No thanks. Well, I'm gonna keep this yellow one on though, okay? So I got some more jewelry, and these are so cute. So cute. I got 2 of them, and it's a sun and moon. I hope you can see that. So it's a sun and moon, and this looks really good in person. I got a silver one and a gold one, and these look so good. I was totally 100% inspired by the necklace that Jack gave Rebecca. And this is us. I didn't finish it. Don't tell me how it ends, but I do know how he died. It was so sad. Okay, I gotta stop. Jack. So I bought something that said free with shipping, and it was a laptop. The picture was a laptop. I was like, this is a scam. You don't sell laptops for like $2. No fucking way. Like, even if it's on the web shop, like $2? So I ordered 2. I was like, Oh, by the way, in the description, it told you exactly what it was. And it told you the inches and the dimensions and the color and everything of a laptop and which one you were getting. And you can even pick the color. I was like, okay, laptop, $2, I'll buy 2. Maybe it's something like a little, I don't know. So this is what it came in. And this the shit that I got. This ain't no laptop. It's not even like a screen protector. Comprehensively protects your keyboard. They're keyboard covers. First of all, laptops don't have keyboards this long, so it's definitely for a PC. This seller was a scam artist. Got $4 out of me. That's $4 I can use right now, because I haven't gotten paid from the army. They haven't paid me. They missed a pay period. Help. It says notebook keyboard protective film. So this is shit. I don't even have a PC, so trash. So the next thing I got is the Versali Unicorn Essence, and it was only $4, free shipping. I was like, this shit is fake, but let me see what it looks like when it comes. So this is the fake one. This looks legit. I have the real one. This looks just like it. Like, the whole label and the bottle and everything, like, it looks legit. But you can tell it's a fake when you open it, because it smells nothing like it. And it also doesn't look like it. It's not pink enough. It's nothing like the real formula. This is supposed to go on your skin. So if you have a really bad reaction, like people that use fake makeup, I understand like dupes. Dupes are not fake. This is fake. Like, this was not made by Versali. If your skin gets messed up because you bought fake shit, knowing it was fake, and your skin gets messed up, I mean, you're to blame. Like, you were stupid. Don't be that stupid. I just was curious what this would look like. So this is definitely a scam because it's not the real thing. And yes, I knew that it was a scam buying it, but I was just curious what I would actually get sent. Like, the laptop was not a laptop. Total scam. So I ordered some shoes because they looked so cool in the picture. They were like the see-through invisible kind with crystals down the center. So I was like, oh, let me see. I want to try it. So let me show you what I got. Now, it came packaged very, very well. This is incredible packaging for shoes. Like, there was no damage to it or anything. So you open this bubble and out comes shoes. So they're like the invisible kind, the invisible shoes, and the middle has crystals. I was like, this would be really pretty to wear with like Bengali clothing, like with a salwar kameez, or a skirt that would be just long enough to like show my shoes. And the shoes don't look anything like the picture. For one, the picture was a little bit different, the crystals were different, the shape was different, and these shoes are made so bad, you guys. Like, it's lumpy, it's scratched, the sole's even lumpy. I can see the thread coming out. Oh, there it goes. And the best part was when I tried these on, they're in such an odd slope and the material they used was so cheap. Your feet keep sliding out and it feels like it's just gonna rip this like plastic part right off. And these cost like $40, by the way, so it was like $45 with shipping. That's very, very luxurious and expensive for the Wish app because most items are under like $3 or under $5 there. Most things are like $1 or $2, so this was super expensive for a Wish app, and it was shit. It was complete shit. And they do take back returns, but I'm gonna get to that in a second. Okay? I got an issue, so I'll get to that in a second. But yeah, this thing is like gonna rip off so quickly. It's already ripping off now, so I'm trying not to touch it. And like you can see the thread that they use, like it's just, this is shit. Like, don't buy any shoes from there. I was just curious. So, and I regret it. So the last thing I got, I love. Okay, it's a sweatshirt. It was a one size fits all. I knew it was gonna be a little small, like a little snug for a sweatshirt. I like very loose sweatshirts. It's not loose, but this is the sweatshirt that I got. Oh, let's get in the picture. It's just a basic white sweatshirt. Very soft, and yes, there's a back. So this is Sailor Moon's outfit. I love Sailor Moon. Okay, so like I love this. This was $13. I think with shipping it was like $15. I love this purchase. I haven't washed it yet. I'm worried everything will come off, but I love this. I really, really do love this. I'm so happy with this. I just need, it does fit me. Like I tried it on, it fits me. It's just not as loose as I would normally want it to be. But yeah, so these are my purchases from the Wish app. Now, is it a scam? It's kind of iffy. I don't think it's a scam, but then I do think it's a scam. So it all depends on the seller. Some sellers are scammers and some are not. You might argue, it was only $1, it was only $2. Well, you know what? It's my money. And if I'm going to spend my money on something, I expect what I'm supposed to get. Like if you said you were going to give me a taco, and that's what I bought, and you give me a burger, yeah, it was $1, but I don't care. I wanted a taco. I did not want a burger. Like, what is this shit? So it's really iffy. Like, use at your own risk. They have a decent return policy, by the way. If you order something and it does not get to you in 30 days, the Wish app people, not the seller, the Wish app, like the owners of Wish app or whoever, their customer service, they will refund you the money. And sometimes you'll get to keep the item if it's on the way and it just took forever. By the way, all these things take like a month and then some. to get. So, but if they take over 30 days, they'll give you a refund and you don't have to pay for the product. So, I mean, that's pretty good. A lot of places don't have that. Now, here's my very scammy part that actually really pissed me off. So I was using the Wish app, and when it logs in, it connects to a Facebook account. And I have 2 Facebook accounts. One I don't really use and one I use all the time. So it connected to the one that I hardly use, but like I have access to it. It's just like my old Facebook that I ended up like never using. So it used that, and that was all good. And I have my order history, everything I ordered, my wish list, like everything. I was just like, okay, I mean, yeah, some things were bad, and I was totally going to return the shoes. I was like, okay, for $40, like I want my $40 back. I'm going to make a return. So I try to log back onto the Wish app, and it doesn't let me log back in. It makes a new account and it logs in with my other Facebook account that I did not use the Wish app with. I was like, what the hell? Like, did it make a new account? It did. I was like, okay. So I signed out of Wish and tried to log back in. Again, it connected to the different one. It doesn't let me choose which Facebook account. Before it did, and now it doesn't. It doesn't let me choose the account that is actually connected to my Wish app. So I deleted the Wish app and I downloaded it again. Same thing. So I logged out of my Facebook, the one that I didn't want logged in with Wish. I logged out of that completely and I logged into the one that is connected to the Wish app, like with my order history and everything. It won't recognize it. It does not pop up anymore, like period. I'm like, I did not delete that Facebook account. Like, what the hell's going on? I contacted their customer service. They get back to you pretty quickly, I do have to say that. But they're like, oh, just log in with your Facebook account. I was like, okay, they clearly didn't listen to anything I said. I was like, I did log in with my Facebook account and it won't let me choose which Facebook account. They're like, oh, just log in with, make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account and then use the Wish app. I'm like, I did that and I already told you that. And I was like, I'm getting frustrated because my original account had everything I ordered. And I was like, I'm not going to use it anymore if that's what you're going to do. And they're like, oh, okay. So the last email that I got from them, they're like, tell us your name, your address, and all this other stuff, which is fine. But then it tells me to list all the orders and what date and how much they were. How the hell am I going to know that if I can't log in? I guess I can go through like the credit card that was used, that was linked to that account. That's another problem that I have. Like, it's linked to my credit card. I don't like that. Now that it won't let me like log back in. So it's linked to my credit card. I guess I can look up the amount, but they want like the product number and all this information that you can only get if you're logged into the freaking app. I'm just like, this Wish app is a scam. So use at your own risk, people, because I was duped by them. I mean, some things I really like. I like my sunglasses. I love the moon necklaces. I love my sweatshirt. I love the keychain, but it's not worth it. Like, I can get all those things elsewhere. It's fine. And you know what? I can get it elsewhere for the same price, like Amazon or something else. So I'm just like turned off by Wish completely, and I probably won't be using them anytime soon. So use at your own risk, please, and be careful. Don't link your credit card to it. I mean, you have to if you want to buy stuff, so I don't know. Just use at your own risk, and I hope you guys learned something. Just use at your own risk, and my situation kind of sucks. I probably would have ordered more like sunglasses and accessories from Wish and return those ugly ass shoes, but no, I can't, and I'm just turned off by it. Like, I don't want to use that app again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye. Oh, by the way, if you've used this app and you've had like really scammy experiences, please let me know that I'm not alone. Like, let me know down below. Let me know. I want to know, okay?